So, the S-Class has been the definition of luxury for decades. It was always about understated elegance, heavy thuds when you close the door, and acres of wood trim. But looking at the new facelifted 2027 model, it feels like Mercedes just blinked. They looked at the market, looked at the tech industry, and decided to trade that old school charm for screens. Lots of screens. Let's start inside because this is where the biggest shift is. The dashboard used to be this wide flowing piece of wood. That is gone. It's been replaced by what they're calling the MBUX Superscreen. It's basically a wall of glass with 3 displays. A 12.3-inch cluster, a massive 14.4-inch center screen, and another 12-inch display just for the passenger. It's impressive tech, sure. But does it feel warm? Not really. It's giving off very strong HAL 9000 vibes. And they didn't stop at the screens. Mercedes has effectively digitized everything. You know how you usually just reach out and grab an air vent to aim it where you want? You can't do that anymore. These are digital vent controls. You have to use the screen or the AI voice assistant to aim the air. Speaking of AI, the car is now running ChatGPT 4.0. So yes, your car has a frantic, living avatar that can hold a conversation with you. It's cool, but it also feels like tech for the sake of tech. On the outside, the understated look is officially retired. The grille is 20% bigger, and for the first time, it's fully illuminated. Even the hood ornament, the classic star, now lights up. It's not just a car anymore, it's a status symbol that wants to make sure you see it coming from a mile away. But here's the twist. When you think this car has gone full compose computer, you look at the spec sheet for the S580. Mercedes put a new V8 in here. And not just any V8. It's a twin-turbo 4-liter with a flat-plane crank. That is the kind of engineering you usually see in a Ferrari or a Corvette Z06 to make it scream at high RPMs. Here, they say it's for response and refinement, pushing out 530 horsepower. It's a genuine mechanical thrill in a car that is otherwise trying very hard to be a smartphone. If you want to keep it greener, the S580e plug-in hybrid is undeniably strong. You're looking at 577 horsepower and a 0 to 60 time of 4.4 seconds, with about 64 miles of pure electric range. So, the 2027 S-Class. It's faster, it's smarter, and it's brighter than ever. But I have to ask, is a flat-plane V8 enough to make up for the loss of that classic tactile luxury? Pricing hasn't been announced yet, but expect these to hit US driveways in the second half of the year. If you dug this breakdown, do me a favor. Hit that like button and get subscribed so you don't miss the next deep dive. Catch you in the next one.